When a family is dealing with, an ill child or an ill parent, the last thing that they need to do is being worried about the medical bills and how it happened or why it happened. Taking that responsibility on in our firm is what we do. The paralegals will handle an interface with insurance providers, so the collection agency stays away from the situation, or to make sure all the bills get paid properly. I mean, we will do all of that for people so they can focus on what is important, is their sick family member or recovering from an illness. I think that's, in some respects, some of the best things that we can do for people is help their recovery.
Good afternoon, Marler Clark.
We have a terrific staff, and you can't have a great firm without a great staff, especially a relatively small firm. The paralegals here are knowledgeable. They love working with our clients. They spend a lot of time solving problems, answering questions. They're all very experienced. We get a lot of positive feedback from everyone, clients, public health agency, courts, about the quality of our work and the responsiveness of our firm. We take great pride in that.
A lot of times we've been contacted by attorneys who first started working on these cases with their clients. Once they got into the middle of it, they realized they couldn't properly handle it. And then they contact us, and we take over.
There's just no other law firm in the United States that has the attorneys that have collective 20 years experience doing these kinds of cases. And nothing but these kinds of cases. I mean, this is what we do.
Because we have the opportunity to represent oftentimes a number of persons in the same outbreak, that puts us in a unique position when it comes to the bottom line. I'm talking about dealing ultimately with the big insurance company.
We know what a jury will award in a similar case, or we know what this insurance company has paid in the past. And so when we sit down on the other side of the table, we can look somebody in the eye and go, this is the range of what's fair. And so the question is, are you going to get there or not? And if you're not going to get there, we'll let a jury decide. If you are going to get there, we can put this away and you can move on and my client can move on, which is frankly good for both the company and good for my client.